Amazing courses you never knew existed. Part 2. Course in Ethical Hacking. Hacking and ethical. Yes, that's a possibility, as with great power comes great responsibility. Ethical hackers handle the cybersecurity of many agencies, and this course is a step to this highly respected profession. The universities which offer this course are PSB Academy, Coventry University, West Herts College. Course in Spacecraft Design. If you have always had the craze about space, rockets and all of that stuff, this course is for you. It literally involves building spacecrafts and designing them. The universities are Cranfield University, Texas A&M University. Course in Bakery Science. Birthdays, anniversaries or events, you need a cake. So take this course so as to understand the science behind food production and open your own bakery. The universities are Culinary Institute of America, Johnson and Wales University. Course in Auctioneering. You guessed it right. After this course, you can become an auctioneer. It's an art to fix appropriate prices and speak that fast in an auction. This course will teach you that. The universities are Harrisburg Area Community College, Warren County Career Center. Course in Wasting Time on the Internet. Yes, it's really a course. It analyzes what we post on social media, how it affects us, and how we waste time on the internet. The universities are Pennsylvania University. A course on Harry Potter. This course will teach you about Harry Potter, why it became a rage. It will teach you about the pros and cons of Harry Potter and almost everything about famous literature. The university which offers this course is Central Michigan University. Course in Nautical Archaeology. Scuba diving and living amongst the fish is a dream for many. That dream can come true if you do this course. It will teach you naval archaeology and help you explore the sea. The universities which offer this course are University of Western Florida, Texas A&M and Barcelona University.